T.O. said he ain't through. He ain't through. Let's get right to it. Dun-dun-dun. What's happening, YouTube? It's Hush Boy at YouTube, then Hush Boy Sports. Terrell Owens says he's not done playing football. He's not giving up the father time. Not just yet. Soon to be Hall of Fame wide receiver Terrell Owens is serious about continuing his professional football career in the CFL. Shout out to that Facebook message. Owens' agent Jason, last name starts with an S, told TSN's Dave Naylor on Monday that T.O. absolutely 100% wants to play in the CFL. According to this guy, Owens has opened a 10-day negotiating window with the Edmonton Eskimos. If Owens and the Eskimos don't come to terms on a deal in 10 days, he will be released from their negotiation list and will be free to sign with any team. The 44-year-old Owens hasn't appeared in an NFL regular season game since 2010 with the Cincinnati Bengals. T.O. is one of the greatest wide receivers to ever play the game of football. I'm sure he's in shape right now. But T.O. 44 years old, I'm not saying he can't play, I'm just saying, man, they gonna try to hurt you, T.O. And I don't want to see you go out like that. I want my memories of T.O. to be my memories of T.O. But I'm not going to sit here and tell a man not to do something that he want to do. And it looks like T.O. is serious about playing football again. So if he's serious about playing football again, I'm riding with him. I will be having a T.O. jersey once again. And we're going to be doing touchdown celebration breakdowns all season long. But it don't matter what I think. What do you think about this story? You let me know in the comments below. But in the meantime, in between time, y'all be cool like y'all be cool, man. This is Hush Boy, and I'm out this thing, man. Y'all